So, Tan, let us discuss about the current landscape of the soldering and the PCB industry in India, Malaysia, Japan, and look at the overall scenario within the Asia Pacific region.
Okay, so the current situation is, as you know, a lot of technologies which is come from Japan actually. So actually they are looking for some sourcing or alternative for manufacturing facilities, not only in Malaysia. After Malaysia, the next could be India, because in studies that we have conducted for the past few years, and especially during COVID that time, we noticed that a lot of manufacturing actually is based in China. So during COVID that time, there's a suffering a lot. There's a supply of material which unable to come from China to any other countries. So nowadays we are always talking about China plus one. So other than Malaysia, our company also looking for better development in terms of India. Whether India will be a good alternative for us to set up another company or manufacturing facilities in India. Because we also seen that there's a lot of US company also have their investment in India. For example, like automotive, we heard about Tesla, Nvidia, all those, they do also have facilities in India as well as they have some development in Malaysia. So we can see some similarities in between, and moreover, we have a free trade agreement between India and Malaysia. So we can see that in future it could be more collaboration in terms of this manner to supply our customer in India and Malaysia and all over the global as well.
Great. Yeah. So, looking at the India market, why do you believe that it could be a great place for you?
Okay. Why we believe? Because we try to see the similarities between China and India. So first thing would be the population. Okay, the population is definitely India have more populations than China nowadays. Okay, and then India also support a lot of foreign companies, and we notice that most of the citizens here is well versed in English. So this is one of the major strengths that we can see over here. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ten.